Have you ever zoomed in on a picture or shrunk an image to fit a page? That is similar to how dilations work in geometry. A dilation is a transformation that enlarges or reduces a shape while keeping its proportions the same. The key to understanding dilations is the scale factor, a number that tells us how much the shape stretches or shrinks. If the scale factor is greater than 1, the shape expands, meaning it gets larger. If the scale factor is between 0 and 1, the shape shrinks, meaning it gets smaller. If the scale factor is exactly 1, the shape stays the same size with no change at all. To find the scale factor, we take the length of a side in the new shape and divide it by the length of the corresponding side in the original shape. Every pair of corresponding sides follows this same ratio, meaning the entire shape changes proportionally. Let's look at 2 examples. First, imagine we have a triangle with sides measuring 3, 4, and 5 units. If we apply a dilation with a scale factor of 2, the new triangle will have sides of 6, 8, and 10 units. The shape remains the same, but it has doubled in size. Now, let's take a square with sides measuring 6 units. If we apply a dilation with a scale factor of 1/2, the new square will have sides of 1.5, 2, 2.5 units. The shape keeps its proportions, but shrinks to half its original size. Dilations can change the size of a shape, but they never change its angles or proportions. Let's visualize these concepts and see how dilations work on a coordinate plane.